If you are still holding CPEN token, like those of us that claimed our CPEN earlier this year, I think on the first quarter of this year, if you are still holding CPEN token, congratulations to you. And if you have sold, you have the last and slightly opportunity to buy back CPEN token and hold for future purpose. All right. So currently market, but before you can be able to navigate to this interface, you have to go and update your app. And if you are mining lane ink, take it very serious. If you are mining ink in CPEN application, take it very serious. All right, because they might surprise us by next year first quarter as well. All right, so you have to go to Play Store and update your app. If you are using iPhone, go to your Safari and update your app. All right, so let me show you what you are holding if you are holding CPEN, and let me show you the amount of CPEN that people are buying back as of few months or a month ago, right? But before we dive into today's video, make sure you like this video, share to friends, subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that when next I post an amazing video like this, YouTube will notify you and you come and watch and gain from it. All right, so you click on these three dots here. If you click on these three dots here, all right, after you have updated your CPEN app, click on that three dots. So if you click on this, locate on chain, right? Locate on chain. This is on chain here. Okay, locate this on chain here. All right, so once you locate on chain, you can see on this particular on chain, I'm going to show you guys 3 to 4 different something. I know that what you guys might be seeing here is maybe like buying back. So if you are on this dashboard, look here. This is the amount of CPEN currently. All right, this is the amount of CPEN, like one CPEN currently. All right, I don't think we saw the amount was up to this. I don't think we saw the amount was up to this when we saw earlier this year on the first quarter or thereabouts. I can't remember when we saw, but I think on the first quarter, because I sold mine as well. So one CPEN is currently trading at 0.0006. All right, then if you look at the other side, for the past 24 hours, CPEN has been pumping for 2.8%. Like you can see, it's pumping. Let me use this arrow. You can see it here. It's pumping. It's pumping here 2.8%. All right. So, and if you look at the other angle as well, you can see the market cap. The market cap is currently at the market cap of CPEN is currently at 1.55 million. You can see it here. Nice one. Then here is the chart. All right, here is the chart that it shall be up for 2.85% in the last 24 hours, and this is the current price of CPEN. All right, you can as well copy your CPEN wallet address here. All right, good. Then let's scroll. You can see all this buyback. That's why I told you guys, if you are holding CPEN, you are holding something valuable, but you might not know. You can see all this buyback. All right, people have been buying back CPEN token. You can see it here. This one is just yesterday because I'm making this video as of 20th of December. So you can see the date here, 19th of December. So people buy back people buy back CPEN worth 581,000 CPEN, sorry. 581,000 CPEN. And the amount in BNB is 0.45 BNB. And the amount in USDT is 380 USDT. All right, that is number one. So if you scroll, you can see the amount people are buying. So this is the amount people are buying. People are actually buying back this CPEN. So if you are holding CPEN, you are holding a valuable token. Because I will still show you guys one more thing, because I'm trying to make this video very brief. All right, So you can see it, people have been buying back CPEN. Like the vision is clear, right? The vision is clear. You know, some token they might start pumping be like next 6 months or a year. Some might start pumping immediately after they have listed. All right, you can see people have been buying since November. So if I click on load more, it will load more for us. All right. So if you go to trade, you can see the amount that one CPEN is currently trading at. You can see people that are selling, people that are buying, people that are selling, buying. This is the trade, right? These are the trade here. Okay, good. Then let's go back to buyback. Okay, I think we are done here. So click on that three dot again. Then locate your wallets. This is after you might have updated your CPEN app in the Play Store. If not, all this feature will not show. All right, all this feature will not show. So here now you can lock your wallets here to avoid scam temptation or defrauding you of your token. You can see it, lock wallets. You can see it here. Very good. You can see view history. You can see remove wallet address. If you don't want it, if you want to link a different wallet address, you can remove this current one. I can remove this current one I have linked and linked a different BSC wallet address. All right, good. If I want to make my wallet visible, I click on this and this I dot here. Click on this I dot here, it will be visible. You can see now it's not visible again. So scroll. This is the amount of this is the asset I have currently. When I sold mine, I was having CPN of 1,850 98 tokens. You can see it here is showing distributed. You can see it, right? Very good. Then this is the amount of ink I'm having currently, 2,430 as of now. All right, very good. So let's go back to click on that three dot again. Almost everything is happening on that three dot. All right, almost everything. So click on leaderboard. You can see people that are holding that are ranking on the ink on the ink project, people that are taking it, mining it aggressively. So if you are not mining this interlink, I'm sorry to tell you, you might miss a lot in time to come. Right? So I'll be leaving the link in the video description or in the comment section. So get dive into it and start mining this project, because this project might be the next mind-blowing project that might surprise us. All right, so my KYC is currently verified. My KYC is currently verified here. Okay, so if you have not done yours, kindly do it immediately. All right, then let's go home. Then here are some of the messages they have sent. This is a day ago. So kindly go through all these messages and and read this for yourselves. All right, so I don't want to waste much of our time. So come back again, go to this place, confirm, perform all these tasks and endpoint for yourself. All right, follow retweet, comment and like X post. All right, then that is 8 points. 8 points, 8 points, 8 points, 8 points. I have done all this one already. You can see them here. I have a couple of them. So if you are done here, this is all these tasks are under new. All right. So if you go under CPEN, you will see more. If you go under C school, you see more. So let's go. Click on CPEN. You can see it here. Click on C school. You can see it here. So once you are done with each task, you will switch. You will go next to the other ones. So I'm trying to tell you guys, if you are mining CPEN, please kindly take it serious. Okay, kindly take it serious. All right. So I'll be leaving the video the project link in the video description. Do well to dive into it. All right, do well to dive into it and start mining this project aggressively. You can see I'm currently having 2,400 ink here. So let's just hope for the best and keep our fingers crossed. So we don't know what they might have for us in future. All right, so that is just that. This is you can actually become their ambassador. So if you click on this bunches, let me highlight it for you guys. Click on these bunches. All right, if you click on bunches, you can see different, you can go through all this. What is bunches? Read it. Then if you click on this become a community ambassador, you can actually become their community ambassador if you are eligible. All right, if you are eligible, it will be showing down here, become an ambassador. It will be showing here. All right, so you just click on it. I think it will take you to their X handle to, or their official websites to do whatever thing they ask you to do. All right, so that is just that. That is just that. Make sure you like this video, share to friends, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so that when next I post a music video like this, YouTube will notify you and you come again and watch on it. All right, I'll be leaving you guys here, and I'll be hoping to see you on my next video. Peace.